Hello, welcome to Berkshire Used Cars' latest video of this 2017 67 registered Land Rover Discovery Sport. This is the 2-litre TD4 HSE automatic. Current recorded mileage sits on exactly 65,427. It's a 2-former keeper car from new. Fantastic colour. It's called Corris Grey Metallic. In lovely condition, as I hope you can see. Car comes with full Land Rover Service History. 6 services have been carried out in total. Most recent service carried out in January 23 at 59,000 miles. The service schedule for this particular engine is every 2 years or every 21,000 miles, whichever comes first. The car has also benefited from a recent engine timing chain replacement, which was carried out in December 23. MOT expires 23rd of August 2024. There were no advisories. Very good set of Goodyear tyres. We've got 6.7mm of tread on the front, 3.5 and 3.6mm of tread on the rear. Car comes with, being the HSE, a number of nice features: panoramic glass sunroof, front and rear parking sensors, as well as the rear camera. You've got the daytime LED running lights, as well as xenon auto high beam assist headlights. Quite a number of options with the car. There are 7 in total from factory. So it comes with the upgraded 19-inch alloys, privacy glass, a Meridian sound system. You've got a twin USB connector, as well as lane keep and condition monitor. Inside we've got the full black leather upholstery, very clean. So this is the 7-seat option, so there are additional seats within the floor plan at the rear. Very nice interior cabin. Comes with the power fold electric wing mirrors. It's a multifunctional steering wheel where you do have cruise control as well as the speed limiter. And actually has auto headlights and auto wipers. Over to the media system, so sat nav, as you can see. Comes with Bluetooth for telephone. You can actually stream music via Bluetooth. Car also has a DAB digital radio. And as mentioned, you can play music via the USB connector as well. Dual zone climate control air conditioning with heated front seats. Got the all-terrain buttons there for the different mode of terrain. So you've got grass, sand, road, mud ruts, etc. The electric park brake. This grey condition Land Rover Discovery is declared as motor check provenance clear. The car is fully prepared for sale and ready to be driven away on the same day as viewing. This is a Euro 6 engine, by the way, so it is exempt from the ULEZ charge. So 2-litre TDI engine, 180 brake horsepower, 12 months tax for this car, £180. Please visit our website berkshireusedcars.co.uk for further information. If you've got any questions, please don't hesitate to get in touch with us at Berkshire Used Cars. Thank you.